Hello and welcome to this Community Box tutorial on how to set up your first directory. Once you have logged into your Community Box account, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Here we can add a new directory. So I'm going to name this Yoga Studios, and you can select a template here. I'm going to select business directory and add. And then I'm just going to refresh my dashboard and we can see it here. When you open your first Community Box directory, you will be given access to 25 profiles or members for free. Once you go over that 25, you'll then need to change to a subscription. And you can do this, all the information is on our website, or you can do it here in your dashboard by going to upgrade. If you decide that you'd like to rename your directory, you can do that here. So if we just go into our directory, we can see that we can change different colours for different areas of the directory so that you can make it bespoke to your brand. And we would always recommend that you start with your form designer first. This is the information that you are going to gather from your members and display in your directory. We have a tutorial and a step-by-step guide for this in your tutorial section here. If you need any support or any help, please do send us a message through your beacon down here and one of the team will get back to you within one business working day.